Nag-file ng plunder kay Vice President Duterte, yung si Reverend Addictus at saka yung si Running Pest, among others, ay alam nyo kung seryoso sila sa confidential funds, look no further. DILG, the Rimulya brothers had 1 billion, more or less, in confidential funds. 1 billion. 500 for DILG, 500 for DOJ. The Office of the President has 5 billion in confidential funds. Gusto nyong puntirihin ng confidential funds? Tingnan nyo kung saan ginamit yung confidential funds sa DILG, DOJ, at Office of the President.
Sa Makabayan Black, buksan ninyo ang inyong libro. Saan nyo dinala ang mga milyong-milyong kinatiwala sa inyo ng taong bayan? Liquidate it, show by example. Pakita nyo sa amin saan nyo ginamit ang pera ng taong bayan. Diyan sa Makabayan Black.
I'd just like to go back to the question. I really believe the question is very valid, and I think it really opens a lot of scrutiny dapat dito sa budget mismo ng House. Pero kasi ang manner kasi po by which it's being done, meron po kasi tayong tinatawag na parang House Committee on Accounts, no? So sila po talaga yung bumabalangkas ng mismong budget, including the salaries of staff, MOOE, and many other expenditures, no? Problema lang, wala po talagang layer ng scrutiny dito dahil pagkagawa po ng House Committee on Accounts, diretso kaagad siya sa plenary, diretso kaagad for approval. So I think maganda po na tignan natin, no? I really feel that the question of the adjust is really valid. Tignan natin kung paano ba talaga ginagawa yung kanilang budget, and I think umiiral po kasi dito yung parang long-held tradition sa Congress, no? Merong parang parliamentary courtesy na tinatawag na hindi na talaga tinitingnan, which I believe in this case dapat, kasi kung sila binabalangkas silang maigi yung mga programa na pinopondohan ng pamahalaan at the national level, bakit hindi natin din tignan kung paano sila nagkakaroon ng pondo? I think this is really valid.
May follow yata yun, Rob, ano? Si Terry Ridon, yung accounts, di ba? Siya ang chairman. Kilala niyo si Terry Ridon, di ba? Yung may bombolya sa pisngi.
Okay ba yan?
Okay, sige po.
Oo. Ako naman, ang comment ko naman dun sa question ni Sir Rob, the thing is, although guaranteed sa ating constitution, right to public information, access to government records, ang problema po kasi walang enabling law. Ang meron po tayo is the Executive Order number 2 na pinirmahan ni Presidente Duterte July 2016. 2 days daw, bago siya first SONA niya. So inutos niya sa pagdating ko sa Executive Department, sige, buksan nyo lahat ng records. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, more than 1,000 requests for FOI were processed during his administration insofar as the Executive Department is concerned. Ang problema, walang counterpart from the legislative branch, Walang batas po na pinaiiral on how we can access records, of the House of Representatives or even the Senate. Kaya yun ho ang challenge ngayon, how to access this information.
Okay, so follow-up question lang din about it, also from Dare to Ask, and anybody can answer quickly on this. Sa issue ng liquidation by certification, alright, sabi niya, through concurrent resolution number 10 of 2011, ito po ay na-introduce ni Senator Ping Lacson. In 2011 until now, walang publicly available information that this was repealed. In 2022, then former House Secretary General Velasco said na ang inyong extraordinary and miscellaneous expense ng House ay hindi na re-resibuhan. Attorney Rowena Ganzon, a former COA commissioner, also said the same. EME is just one of the MOOE's line item expense. According to COA report, ang actual amount minsan umaabot ng 3 to 4 times higher than the approved budget. There is also another expense like other maintenance and operating expenses or OMOE na sobrang tumataas din ang actual amount per COA. And these are eventually allocated to each member of the House. The question is, can you please confirm po kung talagang ang liquidation ninyo ay through certification lang? and which expenses ang alam natin na ganito ang practice?
Masingit ko lang dyan, yung nag-file ng blunder kay Vice President Duterte, yung si Reverend Addictus at saka yung si Running Pest, among others, ay alam nyo kung seryoso sila sa confidential funds, look no further. DILG, the Remulla brothers had 1 billion, more or less, in confidential funds. 1 billion. 500 for DILG, 500 for DOJ. The Office of the President has 5 billion in confidential funds. Gusto nyong puntirihin ng confidential funds? Tignan nyo kung saan ginamit yung confidential funds at DILG, DOJ, at Office of the President. Okay.
Sir Rob, I'd like to take this opportunity and pose a dare sa Makabayan Black. Buksan ninyo ang inyong libro. Saan nyo dinala ang mga milyong-milyong kinatiwala sa inyo ng taong bayan? Liquidate it, show by example. Makita nyo sa amin saan nyo ginamit ang pera ng taong bayan. Diyan sa Makabayan Black.
Alright, so we also have here a representative from Inquirer na gustong magtanong. You can now throw your question, please.